we're gonna learn how to tie the daisy chain. Now the daisy chain is a braid, which is still technically a knot, but the daisy chain is used to store a long length of rope or to keep the rope off the ground if you're gonna use it in kind of a muddy situation. To start the daisy chain, we're actually gonna start by tying a slip knot. We've covered that already. The slip knot's gonna give us our first loop in the rope, and then all we're gonna do is we're gonna take and we're going to tuck bites through each other in the rope, like so. And it creates this nice uniform chain in the rope. To finish, we're going to tuck the tail back through itself, and we're gonna grab both ends and give it a little bit of a tug. And then if we want to undo it or use the rope, we simply unfold the tail and pull from the other end, and all of these come out like so. And that is how you tie the daisy chain.